Have you ever wondered why your cucumber slices never turn out quite right? Maybe they're too thick, too thin, or just plain uneven. It can be frustrating, especially when you're aiming for that perfect salad or garnish. Today, I'm going to show you the top mistakes you must avoid when cutting a cucumber. These tips will not only make your slices look better, but also make the process safer and more efficient. Stick around till the end for a special tip that will make your cucumber slicing game top-notch. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. First, let's talk about knife choice. The type of knife you use can make a world of difference. Using a dull knife can make cutting cucumbers a real chore, and it can even be dangerous. A dull blade requires more force, increasing the risk of slipping and cutting yourself. Always use a sharp chef's knife to get clean, even slices. A sharp knife glides through the cucumber effortlessly, giving you precise cuts every time. If you're unsure about your knife skills, check out the poll in the corner to let me know if you'd like a knife sharpening tutorial. Keeping your knives sharp is essential for all your kitchen tasks. Next up, mistake number 2, not stabilizing your cucumber. A rolling cucumber is not only hard to cut, but also dangerous. Rolling cucumbers can lead to uneven cuts and, worse, accidents. Always cut a small slice off the bottom to create a flat surface before you begin slicing. This simple step can save you a lot of trouble. Always cut a small slice off the bottom to create a flat surface before you begin slicing. This ensures that your cucumber stays put, making it easier to get those perfect slices. Have you ever made this mistake before? It's more common than you think. Comment below and share your experience. We'd love to hear your cucumber slicing stories and any tips you might have. Now let's move on to mistake number 3, ignoring the ends. Those stubby ends of the cucumber might seem harmless, but they can make your slices uneven. Those stubby ends of the cucumber might seem harmless, but they can make your slices uneven. Always trim off both ends before you start slicing. This small step can make a big difference in the uniformity of your slices. Always trim off both ends before you start slicing. This ensures that each slice is even from start to finish. Trust me, your salads will thank you. Even slices not only look better, but also provide a consistent texture in every bite. Mistake number 4 is all about pressure. Pressing too hard can crush the cucumber, making your slices uneven and messy. Pressing too hard can crush the cucumber, making your slices uneven and messy. Instead, practice a gentle, smooth slicing motion. This technique helps you maintain the cucumber's shape and texture. Instead, practice a gentle, smooth slicing motion. This helps you get even slices without damaging the cucumber. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you've got any questions about your technique, ask away in the comments. We're here to help you master your slicing skills. Moving on to mistake number 5, forgetting to peel. While cucumber skin is nutritious, it can be tough and bitter. While cucumber skin is nutritious, it can be tough and bitter. If you're making a dish where texture matters, peeling your cucumber can make a big difference. The skin can sometimes interfere with the overall taste and feel of your dish. If you're making a dish where texture matters, peeling your cucumber can make a big difference. Peeled cucumbers blend seamlessly into salads and other dishes, providing a smoother texture. What's your preference? Peeled or unpeeled? Some people love the crunch of the skin, while others prefer the smoothness of a peeled cucumber. Let me know in the poll. Your feedback helps us create content that you find useful and engaging. And finally, the biggest mistake of all, not using the right cutting technique. The way you hold and move your knife can drastically affect your results. Instead of cutting straight down, try using a rocking motion with your knife. This technique allows for more control and precision. This helps you get even slices without damaging the cucumber. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better your slices will become. And here's that special tip I promised. To get perfect thin cucumber slices every time, use a mandolin slicer. It's a game changer. To get perfect thin cucumber slices every time, use a mandolin slicer. It's a game changer. This tool allows you to achieve uniform slices with minimal effort. But be careful, it's super sharp. Always use the safety guard or wear cut-resistant gloves to protect your fingers. So there you have it. Avoiding these mistakes will make your cucumber slicing experience much smoother and safer. You'll be slicing like a pro in no time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more cooking tips. Your support helps us create more valuable content. Drop your questions or tips in the comments below. Happy slicing, everyone! We look forward to hearing from you and seeing your perfectly sliced cucumbers.